Hey everyone, it's Alma with the Cat's Pajamas, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Going Round and Round die. The die comes with 4 dies. The 2 larger dies cut scallop frames, and the 2 smaller dies cut curved slots. I'm also going to be using the Penguin Summer stamp set. First, let's assemble the base of the card. I've cut a rectangle out of a piece of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of white cardstock, and then cut another rectangle from the center of it. I'm using the larger circle die to cut a piece of the blue cardstock and a frame from a piece of silver. It will be a nice touch, I think, to add a little bit of shine to the card. I've also cut a piece of 4" by 5 1/4 red and white striped cardstock. Attach the frame to the top of the striped paper. Now let's add the fun. Position a curved channel die in the blue cardstock and run through the die cut machine. Once you cut the channel, you'll see that you can see the background through the channel. And I don't really want that to show, so I'm going to cut another blue circle as a backing. I've gone ahead and stamped and colored the sunbathing penguin. I think he'll be really cute floating around in a circular pool, floating this way and that. So here's the magic. Well, not really magic. You'll need a foam dot that fits the channel we just cut. I find a 1 1/4 to 3 1/8 width works well. We'll need a counterweight for the penguin, so we'll use a penny. Place the foam dot on the penny and use some cardstock or powder on the edge of the foam dot so that it'll not get stuck when it goes around and around. Tap off the excess and slide the penny into the channel and place the foam dot so that it goes through the channel. Remove the cover and adhere the penguin. See how the penguin looks like it's floating in a pool? Pretty cute. So now let's finish the card. On the back of the circle, place foam tape, making sure that the foam doesn't interfere with the slot or the penny. Now attach it to the second blue circle we cut. Decide how you want the slots to be on your card. Now attach the circle to the front of the card and adhere the silver frame. Add the sentiment, which is also from the same stamp set, and an embellishment. I think all we need right now is this cute red button and some twine. I think that I may add some sparkles to bling it up, but I hope you can see how easy it was to use the Going Round and Round die. I hope you give it a try. Have a great day.